Alrighty, so I'm 17.7 miles. You can see it right there from the house. I'm sitting outside of Ace Hardware. Okay, so here we are, Ace Hardware. Alright, so we are outside of the Ace Hardware right now, approximately 17.7 miles away. Can you tell me how it sounds?
Crystal clear.
Alright, there you go. Well, alrighty then. So we're actually going to be talking about these Tidradios. As you can see, I've got them right here. This is the M14 or M15. This is the POC versions of the Tidradios that we've seen that are actually like the ham radios. These actually use your cell phone network towers and stuff that to actually bounce the signal back and forth to give you a good, clear communication globally if you need it. These will work with somebody like, say, in UK. They would be able to transmit to you. There's going to be a little bit of a pause or delay in between it, but they work globally. I ran the first test on these at 5 miles with me traveling 5 miles away from here and actually testing it out, and somebody on the other end was able to hear it perfectly fine. It was a quick response, super simple to use. And so I wanted to actually show you because you have to use the onboarding app, which is called OD Master. And that's the app, as you can see right there. And when you load into it, you're going to basically, first time turning on one of these, going to have a QR code that you scan using this app, and it binds your POC radio to the OD Master app, which gives you 1 year unlimited use with it. When you get these, you get 1 year of unlimited use, and then after a year you renew your SIM card, and it's like 19 bucks a year. So that's not bad at all. 19 bucks to renew for an entire year to have global communication with this. Now, the downside, because these are using cell phone towers, they are not similar to the other ham radios that I tell people to actually obtain and get, because those other radios have NOAA weather bands and stuff like that, and they can keep you in communication if there is a natural disaster emergency, such as like tornadoes, hurricanes, and stuff like that. Natural disaster types of situations usually end up taking out cell towers, so then that makes cell phone use and stuff like that obsolete. You won't be able to do it, and that would wipe these guys out. However, if there is still cell network, you are going to be able to use these. Going on hikes and camping in Yellowstone, my AT&T service went totally out. T-Mobile was still working, so these types of radios would work for that environment. Going on long excursions where normally certain carriers wouldn't work, but some will. So with that being said, here's what we're going to be doing. I've actually gone in, and you can see it right here. I'm going to hit Talk Group, and this is the group that I set up. It's called the Content Creator Hub. If you are getting a set of these to review, or getting a set of these because you want to try them out, I have set this up. Once you go through and actually set up your phones and stuff, you can actually click that and have direct line communication with me on that. And that way we can actually collaborate here on TikTok if you want to, and test out your radios and so on. So yeah, did radios. Now I want to talk about longevity. This one is turned off. This one has been on for 3 days, and I have not turned it off. And we're just now lost 1 bar on the battery, as you can see right up there. I don't know if you can. We've only lost 1 bar on battery. And like I said, it's been on for 3 days straight. This one's been off and on because this is the one we've been using to test with me traveling with this one in my vehicle, going to different locations and radioing back and seeing how clear it was. So I'm going to be doing some more videos in the future, hopefully with some other creators on here, showing you the different areas that we can communicate with. I know of other creators in Tennessee and British Columbia and stuff like that that have gotten a set of these, so I want to try to hook up with them eventually start doing some little videos on it showing you the communication possibilities. So again, it's the OD app is what you're going to use to register these. These are your radios. I think this is a good idea, especially if you live like I do. I live way out in the middle of nowhere. Sometimes this won't get the signal I can need with my carrier, but this will. So there you go, guys. Check out the link and let me know what you think in the comments.